Alright, so let's talk about how you can actually use ChatGPT to help you game modding. And no, it's not about pressing a magic button, it's more like having an assistant that explains code and writes pieces for you. Step 1. Figure out what game you're modding and what language it uses. For example, Skyrim mods usually involve Papyrus scripts, Minecraft uses Java, and so forth. Step 2. Open ChatGPT and tell it exactly what you're trying to build. Something like, I want to make a Minecraft mod that adds a new sword with custom damage stats. The more specific you are, the better the code it generates. Step 3. Take that code and drop it into Minecraft modding framework. Forge for Minecraft, Script Hook for V for GTA, SKCE for Skyrim, whatever matches your game. Step 4. Test it. ChatGPT can also help you debug. If the game crashes or throws error, just copy the error back into ChatGPT and ask it how to fix it. And here's the tip. ChatGPT won't do 100% of the work. You still need to do modding and tools and some patience. But it speeds up the process a ton, from writing scripts to generating new ideas. So yeah, if you want to get into modding, ChatGPT is basically your code dev. It saves time, explains stuff clearly, and helps you build mods even if you're not a pro programmer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.